Right, out here today to fix a citric cord that I had. Got something stuck in there, so couldn't pull it out. Tried, ended up breaking, so ended up cutting it. Alright, we're going to start with shearing this off. Alright, starting new. We're going to go ahead and open up the new female end that I got. Right, first thing I'm going to do right now, make sure these don't get mixed up. First thing I'm going to do right now, I'm going to stick that in there, so that's easy to get to. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and slice a little bit of this. Make sure you don't cut yourself or the wire. Alright. So we're going to go down about 2 inches. Okay. Make a little nice little rough step. Cool. Alright. Make sure you didn't cut any wires when doing this. Don't see anything. Okay. So we got here. So we got the hot, neutral, and ground wire. So we got 12 gauge wire. Find 12 gauge little mark. Shear it off. Got the ground. And we got the hot. Alright. Give these a nice little twist. Tight as you can by hand. And then we're going to use the tool to get them a little tighter. Okay. It's a little divot right here. It's a little nice tighter. Okay. So, okay. On this one, kind of a little cheap one, but I kind of like it because you can actually pull these out. All right. So the only thing is you got to remember which one goes to where. So the silver screw is going to be going to the actual neutral wire. Okay, tuck that in, pull it back, get in there, get your flathead, push it in there, get it nice and tight in there. Alright, Phillips, get nice and tight. Okay, one down. Alright. Now just remember where these go. Start a fire, put that in, go and get it tucked in there. Pull it back, get it nice and tight in there. A little more tuck in there. Gonna leave like that. Tighten it down slightly. And then we're gonna pull the wire through. Alright, there we go. That makes you feel a little better. Okay, so here we go. Neutral, hot. I've got a ground wire. Ground wire, put it in, tighten it down, lock it in place. Alright. There we go, guys. Alright, there we go. Ground wire first. then white. Okay. Alright, here we go. Slide it on up. Put it in, but before we do this, I'm going to go ahead and put some electrical tape. I'm going to line it up real quick, as much as possible. Okay, click it in. Just give me a nice little room down there at the bottom. Take a marker. I'll mark it. Yeah, it's a little off, but you should be able to tell where things are at. Alright, there we go. So I'm going to take a little bit of electrical tape here, because I want this to be nice and tight. Alright. So that was just slightly inside that, but it's going to be alright to just do it about there. That was relatively loose there. So we're going to go around, let's do 4 times. It's going to be sitting outside, so I want this nice and tight, guys. Okay, make sure everything's still nice and tight. Everything's together. This is nice and tight. Now, so you're going to push down on the front. So it's all nice and even. Tighten it down. Okay. See, now it's still a little gap in there. I don't like it. That's why we have the liquid tape. Alright, so the other stuff dried up. So got some other stuff, liquid electrical tape. How we're going to do is just going to apply a decent amount there so the water gets in there. Alright. Give this a nice little stir. Take it, just dab it in here. Try to ensure no water gets in. It'll look a little funky if you want to, kind of paint it, you know, make it look decent. Alright, so we're going to take it, just dab around the corners. You want up, go up a little bit to make sure this is all uniform. Okay, so I'm going to do one more little dab. Just make sure everything gets in there. Do a little more. And that was a pretty big dab, but we'll work with it. Alright, put on something to dry. Let this dry, and then go ahead and use it outside.